New must-haves for your gear bag. Poseidon Pro from Dark Energy provides you with 36 hours of charging time for your smartphones. It's waterproof and lightweight. You can take it up a notch with their portable solar panel charger as well. It fits perfectly in your gear bag and is great for any deep wood adventure. The Poseidon Pro fits perfectly in the pocket of your hiking or tactical bag. It has a USB-A and USB-C port, as well as a small flashlight with a programmed SOS feature. It comes with a durable leather strap that connects the charger onto just about any bag or tent. The Spectre rolls up and it's the perfect height to fit in any medium to large bag. It has a USB-A port and indication lights on the side of the panel that act as a sun meter to help you set the panel to get the best charge. Check out Dark Energy to order yours today.